I chose to go into hematology and oncology after I spent 4 weeks with Dr. Rudrapatna during my PA program, and I was able to learn about oncology and see that it's a really unique specialty that you get to build relationships with your patients and you get to be there for them at a time when they really need you. It will be my job to work with the physicians to carry out treatment plans for the patients and then to make adjustments as the patients need while they're undergoing their treatment. And then I'll also see patients for acute illnesses, whether they're in the clinic or in the hospital. And then I'll also perform minor procedures like bone marrow biopsies for diagnosis and monitoring of patients. So a typical visit with me will start, of course, with introductions, whether they'll be seeing me more frequently or just a couple times a year. It's important for me to get to know patients and learn about what their life is like outside of their medical conditions. And then we'll talk about any symptoms that they're having. We'll go through their personal medical history, their family history, and then we'll just do a typical physical exam where I'll listen to your heart and lungs and any other areas that need to be assessed. And then the majority of our time together will be spent addressing any questions or concerns that the patient might be having, and I'll just try and make sure that you have a good understanding of what's going on and what's going to happen. I think the most rewarding part about being a PA in oncology is seeing patients week after week and really getting to know them and their families. It's amazing to see how people respond to these really difficult diagnoses, and it's their perspectives and attitudes, and it's an honor to be a part of their journey. Extraordinary care to me means showing up in every patient's room, knowing that it's a privilege and an honor to be there and to be a part of this process with them. And I just hope that I can treat every patient with the dignity and respect that they deserve.